this will register pressure.
Mad.
But we also got a flow sensor in here. So if the ball's not producing water, it will shut it down.
Yeah.
So it just saves your pump, saves your system, saves
Wow.
everything. So yeah, a lot of that stuff. So a lot of systems don't have it, and then they end up coming out, the ball's dry and it's gone.
Yeah.
But this will stop that from happening.
Mad.
So, your journey.
Pumpflow Solution Group. That's it, long. That's television right there, brother. Got Mel. Ring Mel there. Telling ya.
Any issues, man?
I'll ring anyway.
Give me a bell. The tech support for this is great.
Yeah.
Like you can call them up, they'll talk you through everything. So your dab pump in there.
Yeah.
Bianco solar system, but dab pump, dab solar system.
Dab.
Yeah. So you got your dab, all your dam pumps.
Yeah,
dab.
yeah.
This other pump's a dab.
Yeah.
So mainly your dab here.
Dab.
Or Italian. And we just tilt it a bit more of a 45, just to get more. As the sun comes up, it's still hitting the panels,
Mad.
so get more. But yeah, once you got that ball float in there, it will pressurise to that ball float and stop.
So then that'll be right all the way open then?
Once that's on fully,
Yeah.
you can open that.
Mad.
You can open that. No issues.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, sweet. Sounds good, my bro.
Yeah.
Appreciate you, bro.
All good. No worries.
Pumpflow Solution. See my brother Mel.
That's it.
See you, Cal. Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you, bro.